Good morning, students. I'm your Shweta Madam. I will handle the subject digital fluency. In the last class, we are discussed about the topic 2, right? The topic 2 is database management for data science, big data analytics. In this chapter, already we are discussed about certain concepts. So now I will brush up the discussed concepts and continue. What are the different concepts we are discussed in this chapter? Is first thing I will give the introduction about the database management system, data science, and big data analytics. Here, the second content is data. In this content, I will give the definition of the data, the different definitions the computer scientists they are given to define data, and how the data can be introduced. So later we are discussed characteristics of data. What are all the important characteristics the data is having? Later we are discussed about the database. So the database, it is designed by using two types, that is centralized database and distributed database. Later I will explain about types of databases, right? There are 5 types of databases are there. I will explain all the 5 types. So next we are discussed about database management system. So what is the meaning of data management? Data management is a practice of collecting, keeping, and using data securely, efficiently, and cost effectively. So, data management is a practice of collecting. We are collecting the raw facts, keeping, we are storing the data, and using data securely. We are using the data with security. So, we are access the data efficiently, and so we are maintain data and monitoring the data by using less cost. The main goal of data management is to help people, organizations, and connected things optimize the use of data within the boundaries of policies and regulations. It means the main objective of the data management is we are give help to the people, or so it will take help. Organization can takes help of the data management to connect the things, to optimize uses of the resources. So the data can be accessed by using its boundaries. Within the limitation, we can access the data. By using certain rules and regulations, we are accessing the data from the database. So that they can make decisions and take actions that maximize the benefit to the organization. So once we are using the policies and regulations, rules and regulations, we are access the data from the database. So easily the organizations can take more benefit from the data management. So today organizations need a data management solutions that provides an efficient way to manage data sources across a diverse but unified data type. It means that nowadays the organizations can use this data management to take the solutions of any type of problems, to manage the data across it diverse but unified data type. Means by using only one direction the data will be flow, but it will gives opportunity by using the different applications the data can be accessed. This data management provides a solution, an efficient way to manage the data across the world. The database management systems are built on data management platforms and can include databases, data lakes, and data warehouses, big data management systems, data analytics, and more. So, this database management system can be built by using many of the platforms, many of the data management platforms. Certain platforms they are mentioned, they are included databases, different databases, data lakes. the volume of data we are stored in a centralized location we are called as a data lakes and data warehouses. So warehouses, we are picking the relevant data from the huge volume of data is called as a data warehouses. Big data management systems, data analytics and more. So these are all the database management system builders. So next concept is objectives of data management. What are the important objectives that data management is having? The first objective of data management is to create, access and update data across a diverse data type. So we are creating the database, we are access the data from the database and update the data. Update the data means if any changes make it, we can do the changes in the database is called as a update across a diverse data type. By using a multiple ways we are do these activities means create the data, access the data from database and update the data in the database. So we are doing by using many ways. The second objective is to store data across multiple clouds and on premises. Suppose we are storing the data in particular only one location. If any damage will be happen, entire data will be lost. Correct? That's why we are stored the same data in multiple clouds. Cloud is a network area. It is a storage area. By using the cloud concept, once we are stored the data in multiple locations, if any problem will be arise, the data will damage, we can easily get back. So that's why the data we are stored across multiple clouds on premises. The third objective is to provide high availability and disaster recovery. To provide high availability means if the people can access the data from the database, so we are give the facility to access the data in high speed and in the remote area also through the databases they can easily access the data. Next objective is to use data in a growing variety of apps, analytics and algorithms. Nowadays, the data management system can be used to growing variety of apps means we are creating number of applications and introduced to the world to perform the different activities on the database. So we are write the algorithms to get the solution for any type of problems. So any mathematics or statistics problems are there, those can be analyzed by using the database. So here the database management system can help us to develop new applications to give the solutions for the problems. Next objective is to ensure data privacy and security. Nowadays, more data we are stored in a server systems or any clouds or any satellites. So they will give security for our data. That is the main goal of the database management system. Next objective is to achieve and destroy data in accordance with retention schedules and compliance requirements. For example, so if we are purchasing any product from the Amazon or any of the shopping websites, so immediately the data will be updated in the database. So based on our requirements, it will give the products, and once we are buying concept is completed, the if any complaints we are arising in that app, so all that they are send it to the database. So all this maintenance can be easily done in the database management system. After we are purchasing any product, so that product can be destroyed from that list. Means destroy means it will remove from that list. So if any new product will be added, so that can be added to the list, and after selling the product, that product will be deleted from the list. So this process can easily done in the data management system. Clear? These 6 are the very important objectives of data management. Next concept, we go for the concepts of data science. What is data science? Data science is the area of study which involves extracting insights from vast amounts of data by the use of various scientific methods, algorithms and processes. Andre, so data science ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನು, how we are defined the data science means it is the area of the study. Data science is an area of the study which involves extracting information. Insights is nothing but the information. Extracting information from vast amounts of data. So vast amounts of data means volume of data. It is unlimited in size, very big size data it is having. In that we are extracting the information by the use of various scientific methods. How we are extracting the data from the database means by using certain scientific methods, by using some algorithms and processes. Clear? So data science is an area of study which involves extracting insights from vast amount of data by the use of various scientific methods, algorithms and processes. So this data science helps you to discover hidden patterns from the raw data. If any raw data is there, in that we can easily identify the hidden files or hidden patterns. The term data science has emerged because of the evolution of mathematical statistics, data analysis and big data. So this data science is very important. Why means because of the evaluation of mathematical statistics, data analytics and big data. ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಗ್ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಗ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೆ ಡೇಟಾ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅದರ ಒಂದು ರೋಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಡೇಟಾ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆನ್ interdisciplinary field. Data science is an interdisciplinary field that allows you to extract knowledge from structured or unstructured data. So data science is an interdisciplinary field that allows us to extract the knowledge from the structured or unstructured data. If the data will be well structured, means in a formalized manner the data will be organized, is called as a structured data. We are storing the raw data by using does not using any format, is called as a unstructured data. We can extract the knowledge disciplinary fields. The data science enables you to translate a business problem into a research project and then translate it back into the practical solution. So this data science enables us to translate a business translate our business problems into research projects and then translate it back to the practical solution. Clear? So the data science is a multidisciplinary field. The data science is a multidisciplinary field with a focus on the use of data to derive insights. Data science is also act as a multidisciplinary field with a focus on the use of data to derive insights. A good data scientist must possess a wide range of skills. So a good scientist is having a number of skills. Example, including programming, mathematics and domain knowledge of the desired field of application. So who developed the database? That is called as a data scientist. So this data scientist, they have certain skills. What are the skills the data scientist having means? Programming languages, mathematics and domain knowledge of the desired field of application. So this multidisciplinary field helps to analyze data, make inference or forecast predictions. Data scientists use techniques like statistical modeling, hypothesis testing, data visualization, and machine learning to access the data from the database. Clear? So, data science is used to handle problems of big data like business understanding, data acquisition, and understanding. So, the data science is used to handle problems of big data. Big data means the data of data or metadata. It will having enormous of data. That big data like business understanding, data acquisition, and understanding. Exploratory data analysis, cleaning the data, model building, model evaluation, and deployment. So these are all the different problems the data science can be used to handle. So what are the problems we can easily handle by using the data science means business understanding, data acquisition and understanding, exploratory data analysis, cleaning the data, model building, model evaluation, and deployment. So, a data scientists collect data from primary data sources and secondary data sources. ಆದರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಡೇಟಾ ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಡೇಟಾನ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಡೇಟಾ ಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ಸಿಂದನೂ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಡೇಟಾ ಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ಸಿಂದನೂ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಡೇಟಾ ಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಇದೆ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಡೇಟಾ ಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ survey or experiment. So they are survey the concepts and take the material data, raw data, or do certain experiments. Based on the experiments they are collecting different terms of data. The data scientist collect the data from secondary data sources like RDBMS, relational database management systems, CRM, customer relationship management, FRM, former relationship management, SCM, HCM, SQL, structured query language, etc. So these are all certain secondary sources used to collect the data. Clear? So they are asked objective questions based on this primary data sources and secondary data sources. The databases and apply suitable machine learning algorithm to implement required business decisions from predictive analysis or sentiment analysis from the data that is collected. Clear? So this is about the very important concepts of data science. Next concept we go for, what is the need of data science? Why we need data science nowadays? Certain reasons I will given why we need data science nowadays. The first requirement is, with the help of data science technology we can convert the massive amount of raw and unstructured data into a meaningful insights or information. With the help of the data science technology we can easily convert data into information. So data science technology ಬೇಕು. Second reason is why we need data science means the data science technology is opting by various companies. ಇವತ್ತು ಡೇಟಾ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿಯನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಕಂಪನೀಸ್ ಆಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಬಿಗ್ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ startups, Google, Amazon, Netflix, etc. These companies which handle the huge amount of data and using data science algorithms for better customer experiences. So ಇವತ್ತು ಗೂಗಲ್, ಅಮೆಝಾನ್, ನೆಟ್ಫ್ಲಿಕ್ಸ್, ಬಿಗ್ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಪ್ ಕಂಪನೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಡೇಟಾ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಅಲ್ಗೋರಿದಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನಾದರೂ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಗೆ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ನೀಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಟೋಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಸಚ್ ಆಸ್ creating a self-driving car. So nowadays we are using this data science for working for automatic transportation. Automatic transportation means without driver, without manpower, the vehicles can be moving from one place to another place. Is called as self-driving motors. So that self-driving cars can be implemented based on the data science concept, which is further of transportation. So this self-driving motors can be used in future days in the transportation field. So for that purpose also we need data science. Next purpose is the data science can help in different predictions such as various survey, elections, flight ticket confirmation, etc. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಡೇಟಾ ಸೈನ್ಸನ್ನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ವೆರೈಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ವೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್. ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಡೇಟಾ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ to conduct the elections, online elections. They will use data science. Flight ticket confirmations in the field also they will use data science. So various fields we are using a data science concept. So for main these four purpose we need data science in our daily life nowadays. Clear? The next concept we go for, what are the important components of data science? The data science is having 7 important components. That 7 important components I will explain one by one. The first component is the statistics. Statistics is one of the most important component of data science because statistics is the way to collect and analyze the numerical data in a large amount and finding meaningful information from it. So this statistics only gives a quantity of the data, how much data we are stored in the database, or we are retrieved from the database, or we are accessed from the database. That can be easily calculated by using statistics. So statistics is a way to collect and analyze the numerical data in a large amount and finding meaningful information from it. Next, the second component is domain expertise. So domain expertise binds data science together. It will bind data science together. Domain expertise means a specialized knowledge or skill for a particular area. So ಏನು domain expertise ಅಂದರೆ it is having a specialized knowledge, a very particular information or knowledge about a particular concept or topic or area. In data science there are various areas. In database we are stored a large volume of data. These databases we are used in various fields or various areas. All these various areas for which we need a domain experts. Next is data engineering. Data engineering is a part of data science. Data engineering is a part of data science which involves acquiring, storing, retrieving and transferring the data. So data engineering is a part of the data science. It involves acquiring, we are receiving, storing, we are stored the data, retrieving, we are accessing the data and transferring the data. The data engineering also includes metadata. Metadata means data of data or data about data is called as a metadata. Next component is visualization. Data visualization is meant by representing data in a visual context so that people can easily understand the significance of data. ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಡೇಟನ್ನು ನಾವು ಥಿಯರಿ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ, ಥಿಯರಿ ಬೇಸಿಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಅದನ್ನು ಓದಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟ. ಅದೇ ಒಂದು ಡೇಟಾನ ನಾವು ಗ್ರಾಫಿಕಲ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ವಿಜುವಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಎನಿಬಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದ data. Clear? Example. ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಶೀಟನ್ನು ನಾವು ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಅದಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಓದಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ರಿಸಲ್ಟನ್ನು ಅನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಶೀಟನ್ನು ನಾವು ಗ್ರಾಫಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಇಯರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಆ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಆರ್ ಅನ್ನೋನ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಗ್ರಾಫಿಕಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. So that is called as data visualization. This data visualization, people can easily understand the significance of data. Data visualization makes it easy to access a huge amount of data in visuals. Next component is advanced computing. In advanced computing andre, nowadays the heavy lifting of data science is advanced computing. Advanced computing involves designing, writing, debugging and maintaining the source code of computer programs. So advanced computing ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಡಿಸೈನಿಂಗ್, ರೈಟಿಂಗ್, ಡಿಬಗ್ಗಿಂಗ್, ಮೇಂಟೈನಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಕೋಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್. Mathematics is a critical part of the data science. Which is a critical part of the data science? Mathematics. The mathematics involves the study of quantities, structures, space and changes. The mathematics involves the study of quantities, structure, space and changes. For a data scientist, knowledge of good mathematics is essential. So ಇವತ್ತು ಡೇಟಾ ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕಲ್ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆವೆಂತ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಮಿಷನ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್. ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮಿಷನ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್. ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ವಿ ನೋ ಮಿಷನ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ is the type of artificial intelligence. So it is a subset of artificial intelligence. This mission learning is the backbone of the data science. Which is the backbone of the data science? Machine learning. Machine learning is all about to provide training to the machine so that it can act as a human brain. So nowadays we are make a machine or we are make electronic device. It is look like a human being, right? The machine learning is act as a human brain. All our capabilities the machine is having. In data science, we use various machine learning algorithms to solve the problems. Clear? What are the important components of data science means? Statistics, domain expertise, data engineering, visualization, advanced computing, mathematics and machine learning. So these components they are asked for MCQ questions. The three components they are given in these and one more they are given any other component. So which is not the component of the data science means you select other than these components. Clear? Next we go for the next concept in this database management is tools for data science. What are the different tools we are used in the data science? Or the first tool is data analysis tools, second tool is data warehousing, third one is data visualization tools and fourth one is a machine learning tools. So in these four tools we are using certain languages to implement the database management. They are given. Just we are know what are the different tools we are used in the data science as a data analysis tools means or Python, statistics, SAS, Jupyter, RStudio, MetaLab, Excel, RapidMiner. These are all certain analysis tools we are used in a data science. Next one, ETL, SQL, Hadoop, Informatica or Talent, AWS, Redshift. These are certain tools we are used in data warehousing. Next are R, Jupyter, Tableau, Cognos. These are all certain data visualization tools we are using in data science. Next are Spark, Mahout, Azure, ML Studio. These three are Important tools we are used in machine learning tools. They are asked MCQ questions. They are give any one tool from these four and any other components they are mentioned. Which one is the data science tool? Means correct option you are selected. Clear? Next concept we go for data science process. The data science process is having 6 different stages. That 6 different stages I will explain with the flow chart. The 6 different stages of data science process are discovery. First stage is discovery. Second stage data preparation. Third stage data planning. Fourth stage model building. Fifth stage operationalize. Sixth stage communicate results. We are discussed one by one. The first stage is discovery stage. Discovery stage involves acquiring data from all the identified internal and external sources, which helps to answer the business questions. So, ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ discovery stage ಅಂದರೆ we are collecting the data from all internal and external sources. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ಸಿಂದ ನಾವು ಡೇಟಾನ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? We are collecting the data from logs from web servers, data gathered from the social medias, census, data streamed from online sources using APIs. API ಅಂದರೆ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಫೇಸಸ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸಿಂದ ನಾವು ಡೇಟಾನ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. After gathering the data, we are go for the second stage, that is data preparation. Data preparation means the data can have lots of inconsistencies like missing value, blank columns, incorrect data format, which needs to be cleaned. It needs to process, explore, and condition data before modeling. The cleaner data, the better for prediction. ನಾವು ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂಥ ಡೇಟಾನ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮಲೈಸ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನರ್ ಆಗಿ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅದನ್ನು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಡೇಟಾ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ರಾಂಗ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವೋ ಅದನ್ನು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಾಗಿ ಡೇಟಾನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋಂಥ ಡೇಟಾನ ಒಂದು ವೆಲ್ ಡಿಸೈನ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೆಟಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡೋದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಡೇಟಾ ಪ್ರಿಪ್ರೇಷನ್. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಡೇಟಾ ವೆರಿ ವೆಲ್. After preparing the data, we are go for the third stage, that is model planning. So, planning is very important, basic step. Clear? In this stage, we need to determine the method and technique to draw the relation between input variables. ನಾವು ಏನೇನು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ಸನ್ನು ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವೋ ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ಸನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಮೆಥಡನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ಕನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನಿಂಗನ್ನು ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ದ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿಜುವಲೈಸೇಷನ್ tools. Clear? Already before I will mention the data science tools. By using any of the tools, we can easily make it a plan for the model. After doing the plan, next we are go for the fourth stage, that is model building. Model building, this stage is very important because actual model building process will start. The data scientist distributes data sets for training and testing. The collecting data, planned data can be distributed to the person, and each and every can doing their own methods. So each and every model we are tested individually. Techniques like association, classification, clustering are applied to the training data sets. The model once prepared is tested again the testing data set. ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ಸೇ ನಮಗೆ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಮಾಡೆಲನ್ನು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಡೇಟಾ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟೇಜಲ್ಲಿ? ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜಲ್ಲಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಮೂವ್ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಪರೇಷನಲೈಸ್. It delivers a final baseline model with reports, code and technical documents. Even the operationalize ಸ್ಟೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಫೈನಲ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಜನ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಡೇಟಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಚೆಕ್ ದ ಕೋಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. Model is deployed into a real-time production environment after through testing. ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಟು ದ ರಿಯಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ environment. After operationalized stage is over, next we are moved to the communicate result stage. This is the final stage. Here, the key findings are communicated to the stakeholders. Here we are using certain keys to communicate with the stakeholders. This helps to decide if the results of the project are a success or a failure based on the inputs from the models. So we have checked whether it is successfully work or any failures or happens based on the different input values. Clear? If any failures are there, again we are going in the same procedure. We are tested each and every stage, and again we are come to the next stage. So by using these 6 process stages used to process the data science. Clear? So what are the data science process stages? Discovery stage, data preparation stage, data planning stage, model building, operationalized, communicate results. Clear, students? In the next class, I will explain advantages of data science, disadvantages, data science jobs, roles, etc. Thank you.